And welcome everyone to this video. I'm going to show you here about to start to set grid in Figma. First of all, what you're gonna do is about for this video. It's gonna be actually about help you on a lot of things. So what we're gonna start to see. So about to add the grid in certain things that is related to the flow in Figma. First, what you're gonna do is about start to click here on that one and then start to go for export. Okay, now what you're gonna do is about click here on this part. Okay, sorry, was a certain thing that is really related to a certain thing about to add an actual thing that is related to the part where it's related to a frame and not related to a shape. So we can actually add a frame like this. Now click on that one and then start to click here on layout gauge, and then this is gonna actually help you to add a certain grid. That's gonna be about this one, as you can see, and that's all about to help you